needle of implanter is too long, the transplanted hair can be placed deeper than the reference depth, and the tip of the needle can be damage the tissue underneath the hair papilla. In case the core protrudes, the hair root is pressed and crushed and a trauma can happen and the hair is highly likely to be curly. Different from the length of the implanter needle, the depth of the core should be the same regardless of patience. The optimal depth is that at which, when the button of the implanter is pressed, its level is the same as the end of the implanter. In case the core is too deep, the hair is placed shallower than the reference depth, and the part of the root is exposed to the air. If the bevel faces the ceiling when you insert a needle to the end, it gets inserted more deeply than when the bevel faces the floor, as much as gap in the picture, resulting in damaging on the blood bed beneath the root of the transplanted hair. This is a case with much bleeding and popping. The length of the needle is 7 millimeters at first. The hairs on the right side are popped ones. After figuring out that the needle seems long, the length of the needle gets adjusted to 6.5 millimeters in the middle of the operation. After adjusting the length of the needle, bleeding and popping almost disappeared. The author has experienced many times that with only 0.5 millimeters of length difference, we can reduce the bleeding and popping dramatically. This means that delicate depth control can increase the survival rate. There's no further explanation needed to prove that OKT has far more advantages than existing implanters in adjustment of the depth of implanted hair.